Woohoo! Good girl. Hi, Gigi. What's the matter, sweetie? Did you have a good time? I wish I could have gotten everything on video. Did you have a good time? Yeah, did you have a good time, sweetie? That's what you needed, right? What you good girl? With your big nose. With your big eyeballs.